Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Baisi Hussain Hamim. I am from Khulna. Actually, it is a great pleasure for me to stand before you. I am here about for 7 or 8 days, but as I have came here, it is a great experience for me because here it remains a great atmosphere to learn English. So I think if you want to learn and if you want to get IELTS score like 7 or up, so I think it would be a great choice for you. Actually, I like different things like I want to visit. I like to explore the world. And first of all, I have visited many historical places of my country, and it is also my dream that someday, if I get any chance, then I will go to Europe, like Switzerland and Netherlands. That's my dream country. So after finishing, if I get any chance to finish my IELTS, then I will go this country. And as a person, I want to be a doctor, and that's my dream. So I am working on it. Yeah, I belong from Khulna, so I have visited many historical places of Khulna, like Sundarban and Bagherhat Shatgambuz Mosque. Yes, Shatgambuz Mosque is also a significant spot to visit. So I think everyone should make a visit to that place. Yeah, I went to the Shatgambuz Mosque about 3 or 4 years ago when I was in class 7 or 8. I made a visit with my friends, and it was a school visit, school tour. So I learned many things from my study tour, and it was also a great experience for me. And I also prefer to share about it. Yeah, I have visited Cox's Bazar and different places, historical places. I visited Cox's Bazar about 2 years ago. You know that Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world, so it was a great aspiration for me to visit there. So about 2 years ago, I got a chance to visit the Cox's Bazar, and it was just amazing experience for me.